So in my prep for going up north, I'm going to be doing a couple of things to the bike. One of is getting new tyres, and the other thing which we're going to be doing just now is I've got an exhaust which I'd been looking at a lot of the aftermarket exhausts, and I didn't think any of them looked better than the stock, so I was kind of wondering what to do, and basically what I came up with was this. So it's a stock exhaust, but it's been professionally decored and then welded up again. I got it pretty cheap, so I'm just going to try it out and see how it sounds. Apparently it sounds pretty good, and I'm going to run it a wee bit before going up north, because just to see how the bike reacts to it, because I don't have like a fuel controller or anything like that yet. So if it's drinking fuel or it's doing anything weird, I can just swap it back, which is easy enough. So let's get started, and I'll show a comparison of how they sound and all that kind of thing. So I've got the two exhausts off, and there's such a huge weight difference, which will obviously help a wee bit with kind of performance wise of the bike, and now I'm going to stick on the new one and see how it sounds. So that's the exhaust on. As I said at the start, I'm going to run it around for a while, see how the bike reacts and if it's too loud or whatever, and just see how it goes. If I think it'll be alright to take it on the road trip up north, or if not, it'll be easy enough just to change it back again. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Cheers. Right, quick update. Exhaust was a no-go for obvious reasons. It's kind of melted my indicator, which is kind of inconvenient. That's what it's supposed to look like. So as I've changed the back, this is the stock exhaust, which this piece is obviously kind of crucial, I suppose, to the not melting of the indicator. So I've changed the exhaust back. I've got a replacement indicator which I'll stick on now, and I think I'll just maybe leave the stock exhaust on for now. I prefer it anyway, to be honest. It sounds, I don't know, I wasn't a fan of it anyway. I was going to take it off, came back from a wee run and saw that it with indicator, so that was my mind definitely made up. So that's it on, working again, as you can see. So just going to stick everything back together now. Bit of an inconvenience, but as what it is. Thought I'd try out the exhaust, and obviously it's not working out. So I'll just stick it back together now. Cheers.